Did you know that in the 1920s, female factory workers literally glowed in the dark like ghosts? But this wasn't magic, it was death. At the US Radium Corporation, young women painted watch dials with radium paint. Their bosses told them to lick their brushes to make fine points. With every lick, they swallowed deadly radiation. The women had no idea they were poisoning themselves, but their bosses knew. Company executives wore lead aprons and used metal tongs when handling the same paint. They knew it could kill. When workers got sick, company doctors lied. They said the women had diseases to shame them into staying quiet. The company even paid for fake studies claiming radium was good for health. These brave women fought back in court. Their lawsuit changed everything. For the first time, workers could sue their employers for making them sick on the job. Their sacrifice created the safety laws that protect workers today. Without these glowing ghosts of the past, millions more would have died from corporate greed.